Valentine's dinner. Herbivore, carnivore, everyvoire. We got you.
Winter's about root vegetables, beets, red and yellow, and you don't even gotta peel them. And a whole head of garlic, olive oil, and salt gets wrapped up and in the oven to roast. Those aren't white fat carrots, they're parsnips. But these you gotta peel first. And these are good if you know what you're doing. Into manageable pieces, think like you're making mashed potatoes. Into a pan with a little bit of water and a lid. Cabbage isn't normally sexy, but we're gonna treat it like a steak, keeping the root attached so the leaves don't fall off, and hitting it with salt and pepper. And just like a steak, we could sear this in a cast iron pan or oil them up and cook them on the grill. That cabbage ain't gonna be shit without flavor, which will be provided by that roasted garlic, honey, plenty of honey, and gochujang, spicy fermented bean paste. That's really gonna transform that cabbage. And now that those beets are cooked, they're easy to peel. And I'm working on a super barrier of plastic and tin foil with gloves because working with beets is like working in a fucking murder scene. Peel them, slice them, and they're ready to eat and beautiful. Now that's a vegetable I can get behind. Give them a flip, and that root end is keeping everything together, but it's getting nice and soft. Beautiful. In restaurants, to make parsnips rich, we cook them with cream and water. To keep it vegan, I'm making cashew cream, which you need to do ahead with cold water. See? It's like cream. Add the parsnips and send it for a ride again. A little olive oil to make it even richer. You can make the parsnips, beets, and glaze the day ahead and just heat them the day of. They got a nice char. They're gonna need some of that glaze everywhere. That's going in the oven to finish. Special dinner requires a special sauce, a hollandaise, but not just any hollandaise, a miso hollandaise. Once your yolks go pale, slowly drizzle in that butter, or ghee, which will make it even thicker. The build goes puree, cabbage, a few strategically placed beets, and some of that rich hollandaise sauce. This doesn't have to just be a vegan supper. That hollandaise would be good on everything. Even surf and turf.
Holy flavor bomb.
So rich.
Richy goodness. That'll light your mouth on fire.
A little spicy, but good.
I'll eat that parsnip puree all day. You're not missing a beet, even if you don't eat meat.
If you make this for you, honey, I don't know what's going to happen.
That is really good.
But it's going to be good.